Introducing the new Wafer Slim Downlight Series from ESL Vision. The Wafer Slim Downlight is a Kelvin adjustable fixture available in both 4 and 6-inch sizes. These fixtures are offered as a multi-volt 1 to 10 volt dimming fixture as well as a 120 volt Triac Dimming fixture, all while providing the choice of 3000, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin adjustable color temperatures. The Wafer Slim Downlight installs directly into the ceiling without requiring an additional J-box or recessed can. Designed with the remote driver box and quick connect technology, wiring and installation is fast and easy. The Wafer Slim Downlight also has interchangeable, field installable trim finishes available in black, bronze, copper, and brushed nickel. ESL Vision's Slim Downlight Wafer is the perfect solution for nearly any location. Visit us at eslvision.com or contact your ESL sales representative to learn more.